Let's click drill R, right? Under the table. Oh yeah. Okay, so basically this guy's driving. Okay. Hey, lift foot out of the camera. This guy's driving and like there's like a car, you know? And the car gets in the way. This guy's playing copyright music. That's not cool. I'm gonna get banned from YouTube because I'm so popular. Oh goodness gracious. He's looking driving down the road. Oh goodness gracious. Okay, so he's like stopped and then oh my god, the car like look, he did a pit maneuver on accident. Oh my goodness. That was quite crazy. Okay, he's going to like a hospital or something. And he just fucking, I don't know what he's doing. He's like an idiot. I'm actually an expert car person, so yeah, you know. Okay, he said, "Oh my god," and that was pretty "oh my god" worthy. Oh my god, the car went flying. What happened? Wait, let me go back. Oh, let me put in theater mode for you guys. What the fuck happened? Bro, that was just quite crazy. I'm quite confident about that information. Okay, so the car's driving, right? And then he just keeps going. Even though he has a stop sign. Wow, that's not nice. He should not have kept going. This guy just cleaned his wipers because he was like, I can't see. Oh no. Okay, so the car just like there's a little tap to the car and then it's like GTA. So basically there's like a GTA driver trying to kill the NPC. And the NPC just got stuck on the road. Wow. Let's see. Okay, so this guy's going forward, right? And there's a car inside the road. That's destroyed. That looks not very fun. Wow. For them. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Wow. Hey yo bro, what are you doing bro? What are you doing bro? Hey bro, hey bro, hey bro, what are you doing bro? Hey. Miles, I hate you, Miles, I hate you, Miles, I hate you. By the way. Okay guys, let's crash and then I'm gonna end the video. So I have to go to the next period. Alright. Ready for this one? I'm gonna be like, vroom, Tokyo Drift, you know? Like GTA type shit. Then they crashed into a tree. Wow.